Hey, what's up, buddies? Welcome to another video here at Miscelabros. In this episode, we bring you the unboxing and review of the technical specification of the new Huawei Watch GT4. Join us to do the unboxing and review of these great products. Let's get started. Welcome, buddies, to another episode here at Miscelabros. Today we will bring you the unboxing of the new Huawei Watch GT4, a beautiful smartwatch that promises many things, which we will check during these days and that we will tell you about in the corresponding video review. But for now, let's start with the unboxing. We will start with the unboxing of this incredible product. And the first thing we can see is a compact box with a beautiful and aesthetic presentation. Unlike the perfect white that we are used to Huawei in the presentation of its products, this time we have a very elegant black with the presentation of the smartwatch on its front. In this case, we are presenting a green woven strap unit, one of the most beautiful models of the GT4 presented by Huawei. The box also contains the corresponding labels of the product, and at the bottom has a letterhead with a QR code for Huawei Health Hub that indicates that it's compatible with iOS, and that also, through that same application, you can more easily link this smartwatch with some iPhones. So, in that sense, it greatly exceeds other smartwatches of the competitions that are close to integration with other brands. In this case, the GT4 not only works with Harmony OS, but with iOS can also integrate with other brands. Well done, as always, Huawei. The box smells great, just like a new product. We see that the watch appears symmetrically and in the same position at the presentation of the product box. We took the smartwatch of its box, highlighting that it's very light and has a very beautiful presentation and glossy finishes on the body of the watch that make it look premium. A green silicone strap quite particular and a mold of EVA rubber in black color that converses the shape of the watch straps, making it have a nice presentation. A small lid is the one that separates the watch from the rest of the content of the box. And in the internal boxes are detailed with small icons, the symbology for the cables and the manuals and warranty policies. We proceed to open these small compartments and check inside. And the first thing we find is the charging cable with a circular end that effectively has a magnet that obviously adheres to the body of the watch and allows charging, and the other end we find a USB Type-A port. Unfortunately, it does not come with a charger associated with the product, which will have a giving it a plus or an extra over the competition, since the fashion of delivering the product to us personally don't like. It's like buying a juicer, but without the cable that connects to electrical power. Brands like Huawei still continue to deliver the chargers with their products, but unfortunately for this device, it was not so. In the other internal compartment, we find the manuals and warranty policies of the product. Manuals that, as always, we advise you to read thoroughly to get the most out of the product. Let's go back now to the main product of the unboxing, which is the smartwatch, and unbutton the bracelet to the EVA rubber mold to check it, turn it on and adjust it to my wrist. Among the first impression we have of the product, we can highlight the beauty of its aesthetic presentation. A rather elegant chrome-colored body and a very bright 46mm sapphire dial that when turned on reaches great needs of brightness. Silicone adjustment straps in a nice colors. Although personally I would have liked to try the matte black ones. There are two models, 46mm and 41mm. Clear differentiate for female and male segments, but the difference is minimal between the grips of the straps and the body of the watch. Besides the size, will be the only difference between one model and the other. But also, that is in the case of the 41mm model, we have more variety of colors or presentation. At the time of adjusting it to my wrist, it was fairly comfortable feeling. Having several slots can be easily adapted to the width of your wrist, or even, as I am using it at times, a little looser than usual to avoid discomfort with the sweating now that the temperatures are rising. The screen is quite sensitive to any of the gestures that we indicate, both for notifications, the options launcher, the cover design, or some of the health applications such as measuring heartbeat or blood oxygen meter. We now move on to review the technical specification of the Huawei GT4. We only detail the 46mm model because that is the model what we have. The dimensions of GT4 are 46mm by 46mm by 10.9mm. The burst measurements are between 140 until 210mm. The weight of this model is approximately in 48 grams without the strap. The display size has a 1.43-inch color AMOLED display, and the resolution of that display is 466 by 466 pixels and 326 ppi. The watch body metal are built in stainless steel, and the watch straps model are black fluoroelastomer strap, gray stainless steel strap, green composite strap. Sensors and motor of the GT4 are accelerometer, gyroscope, magnetometer, optical heart rate sensor, barometric sensor, temperature sensor, start button with the rotating crown, and side button. Rear wireless charging port. About the connectivity of the GT4, we have a NFC supported and version 5.2 of Bluetooth with a frequency of the 2.4 GHz. System requirements: Android 8 or higher and iOS 13 or later. A speaker and microphone supported inside on this device, water resistant of 5 atmospheres. The environment conditions of the GT4, it operates under ambient conditions between the temperature range minus 20 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius. The battery life the GT4 up to 14 days duration depending on usage. The feeling on the breast is quite pleasant. It doesn't feel too heavy or too big. The straps allow the watch can be adjusted in different positions and with different degrees of tightness depending on the user taste. Although it's recommended that it's well adjusted so that the sensors can properly measure all the elements for which they were designed to work in good condition, such as measuring blood oxygen, heart rate, among other elements that we will discuss in the corresponding review. Well buddies, we live until here this video of the unboxing of the new Huawei Watch GT4 with the first impressions and review of the technical specifications of the same. In the following days, we will upload the review with our experience using this smartwatch and, if it's true, the real integration with iOS through iPhone. So wait for us attentively with the review of this spectacular watch. If you like this video, please give us a like and take the opportunity to subscribe to our channel. Or leave us a comment on our videos so that it has movement within YouTube algorithm. We appreciate every comment because it makes us improve the way we work. I'm Paco, this is Miscelabros, and I leave you invited to follow and closely on all our social media networks and all the videos we upload here on YouTube. Take care my friends, and a huge hug, and we will see you each in other videos. Greetings my buddies, and see you soon. Bye.